Hey YouTube, I wonder if you can help me by leaving comments of why my iPod will not rotate. Like, okay, I have that thing unlocked. It's not locked, but let's just pick a game that includes rotation. Do I still have it? Okay. For instance, Zombie Highway. Okay, now watch. It won't turn. And the car's supposed to turn. So yeah. And like, if I turn it sideways, it won't turn sideways for the keyboard. So feel free to leave me a comment of why it's doing this, or if you got any ideas how to make it work. It's cause, yeah. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment. For sure comment. And I'll see you next time I make a video. Deuces.